Tell y'all, man, it's been a weird ass summer so far. Shit, we're making this. What do I mean by it's been a weird ass summer? I mean, I haven't like rode much. Like, I mean, I ride every day because I go to work on the bike, rain or shine. But I haven't like joyride or joyrode, however you want to say that, very often. I mean, I rode with the club a few times, and I ride with my girlfriend on the weekend here and there, but it's not a joyride. Usually it's like commuting because we're going somewhere. I also haven't kept up on my YouTube like at all, and I need to, because I want to do this. Like, I want to make this a thing, but I'm like 3 weeks over. My fairing sounds like shit right now because that kind of like crunchy vibration in the background. Talking about it while I'm thinking about it. My headlight bracket broke. It's held together with zip ties, so like the headlight doesn't bounce, but it still vibrates and makes this nasty ass sound, and I hate it. But I haven't had the energy to do a whole lot. Like, I pretty much just go to and from work, and then I get bed rot, you know? Hope that's not my clutch fucking smelling hot. Hanging off this car's ass pretty hard. Is that a sheriff? I hope not. I'm about to do it to him though. Government plate, government plate, government plate. No, reflex up. Today on my way to work, so I can hopefully get something out that's current. By the time y'all see this, the last video came out, and I recorded that back in May. I never edited it, which is cool because I have a video now. But I haven't rode with the boys a whole lot either. I need to. I don't want them feeling like me getting the girl is like pushing me away from them. I just genuinely have not been out joyriding like that. Like I ride to work in the morning like this, and then I meet up with her after work. She works seconds, so I pretty much hang out for an hour with her, or I'll take her to work sometimes because she lives like just down the road from where I work, and she works on the way home for me. But haven't been doing much joyriding. I need to. By the time y'all see this, it'll be Rebel Road, so hopefully we'll all link back up and we'll be out being dumbasses on something. I do miss hanging with the homies. I've been getting my finances under control, or trying to anyway. That way I have more money to just go out and do nothing with, you know. Finally got this one back after having another grenaded clutch. The throwout bearings on this thing do not get along. And right now my lever, my everything up here is suspiciously tight, so I'm hoping and praying it don't go again. Because it was loose, the shop that I take it to, they fixed it again, they adjusted all that, so I was like, yo, I don't want to be like on the side of the road. This is what the last time the throwout bearing grenaded before they put the baker in. So hopefully it fucking works. this goes in to get dyno tuned at the end of the month, it'll be $600. I'm kind of hoping I get to make a sale tonight. I got a guy that wants to look at the old front end off of this. If he buys it, that's like pretty much all but a couple $100 of the dyno tune, so that'd be awesome. But I don't want to count my money before that's in my hand. I'm not going to bank on it, but it'd be nice. Kind of headcanoning it, willing it into existence type shit. So please get back over, thank you. As I mentioned earlier, I haven't really had a whole lot of energy to do moto vlogs. It's not that I don't like have something to talk about. I just don't like. I'm motivated. I want to do it. I'm not like, it's not worth it, God. But it's more like I forget about it. I don't have the camera on me all the time to just throw it on and talk about things when I'm going to work or from work. I need to start doing that. I'm going to try to post every weekend, like regularly on Saturdays again. I might have to go back down to 2 a month instead of like a whole month's worth in the winter times because it's winter. I do have a whole week of vacation coming up, so hopefully I can get my shit in gear and caught back up. Definitely gonna do a whole lot more ASMR videos where I just get lazy and run my microphone in my saddlebag or the exhaust or somewhere. Not because they get more views, which they get average views for me, but because they're easy, and I kind of like easy sometimes, you know. At least when it comes to stuff like this. Kind of locked in here, my bad boys. Boy, that one that shakes my bars. Oh God. Tailgate a Cadillac. I do ride like a dick, but I try not to tailgate when we're coming out of construction zones. Even though I'm kind of tailgating right now, just because I guess I don't have excuses for my shit. I'm a douchebag. It's whatever. Will definitely be sending me a very angry, you did 110 text later on, but whatever. I love her for it. I paid for all this horsepower, I'm going to use all the horsepower. The other reason I haven't really motovlogged a whole lot, my camera's been having this really neat issue where it only records for like 15 to 20 minutes and then shuts off, but it's not regular. It's pretty intermittent that it does that, so I don't ever know if I'm still recording. I might not be recording right now, I don't know. Obviously, if you see this, I am, but you gotta get the fucking mirrors fixed. I'm gonna say it again, Eagle Lights, y'all's fucking quality control is absolutely abysmal dog shit. So the third fucking set of lights, and I just gave up. These ones, at least the fucking turn signals work and don't flash. But there is like so much metal shaving that came out of that ball bearing on that one that I just had fucking packaging taped it. It was duct taped for a hot minute, but I figured, packaging tape is at least somewhat clear.